Hey there YouTube, welcome to another Yuaw Tech video, or let me say tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be doing my very first PS4, PlayStation 4 tutorial, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to connect your headphones and make your headphones work with your PlayStation 4. I have my PS4 controller right here. Now what you want to do is connect your PS4 controller into your audio jack. And they're connected, but you can still hear everything from the TV. So what you're gonna do is while your headphones are connected, hold your PlayStation controller button and it's gonna bring up the sound, go to sound and devices, and you guys can see it brings up a whole new menu. So what you're going to do is you go to volume control, headphones, alright? You can of course go ahead change that as well, but go to output to headphones, and what you want to do is, right now it's on chat audio, and you're going to click on it and go to all audio, alright? After that, you cannot hear a single thing from the PlayStation or the TV. You can hear everything from the PlayStation controller. It's really that simple. It's like so simple. Just hold your power button and come to this menu, sound and devices, and change this from chat audio to all audio. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on those post notifications, go ahead, smash the like button. I'll see you guys in the next one.